So guys, this is how you deposit money using your Emirates ID into the ADCB account. Press deposit, select your language, select deposit services, and then choose your bank, which is ADCB, and then click proceed. Press cash deposit to account, and then press this button here. Put your Emirates ID in this slot, as you can see. Then take back your ID. Yes, while it's loading, make sure you have the account number where you want to deposit money to ready, and input it in this box where you see, and then click continue. Then provide or enter your mobile number into this box. And when that is done, again press continue. Review the information you have entered, and then again click continue to verify. So now we have to insert the money here into the machine from this slot, as you can see. Wait for it to load. The amount will be indicated on the screen. Then press continue. Confirm by clicking yes. If you want to add this account as a beneficiary so that you can automatically deposit to it next time, click yes. And then your deposit has been completed, so you can take your receipts. And that's how you deposit money using Emirates ID.